the green!
Even the grass and trees look magical.
Stay faster! Stay the faster!
Way, way back in a jungle so
Look,
wide,
all the giant trees.
The dinos are back and they don't wanna hide. Tiny T-Rex flying high, rumble, roar, reach the sky.
Look, so many dinosaurs.
Wow!
Till he spins, let the dino
Hi little kids, welcome to Jurassic Jungle Greenland.
colors, count and play.
A talking dinosaur?
That's so cool!
Every day, let's go, Dino friends! Roar!
You're green like the jungle.
Yes, sure am. Want to go on a green land discovery tour with me?
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Let's see how many green things you can find.
That's Sunny the alligator. He looks so cute.
That's Avocado and bunch of grapes. A talking cactus plant. A frog. Crayon. A green parrot. Caterpillar. Watermelon. A dinosaur. Green is everywhere if you know where to look.
This is the best green land ever.
Way back in a jungle so wide. Way, way back in a jungle so wide.